Here I am at Brian's place out near Houston, and I've come here because I have a broken trunk rack, and I don't think it's going to last much longer. So, I don't know if I've shown you guys that before. I'll show it to you now, okay? Well, no, I got some weight on here, right? Look at this puppy. See it? Busted right here. The other side is still holding together. Here, let's take a look. Right, but you see the way it's bending down, so it's screwed. The Mexican roads are hard on shit. My last rack broke on my last bike eventually anyway. This one's starting to get into the high mileage stuff that I had happen before. So I come to Brian's to fix it. Interesting thing, last night I went to this little party. Oh, they were having like a celebration, kids and stuff. And I went over to it and there was a bunch of people. I get to talking with this guy who's got a 1991 FLHS. That's the original Road King, for folks who don't know what that is. The one they made into a Road King. You can look it up on your phone if you're curious. Anyway, it's the same bike as this, same year. Well, me and him, man, we talk a lot of stuff. We're talking gearhead stuff, whatever, through the night, man. We spend a lot of time bullshitting. We go over, we're looking at our bikes, and he's got 210 or 20 or 215 or something thousand on his. And he starts talking about the rack. He wants to take it off. And I said, you want to sell it? He said, yeah. I said, well, will you take 50 bucks for it? He goes, yeah, I'll take 50 bucks for it if you help me pull it off. It's the same year, it's the same bike. Harley was making all their bikes. They only had 4 models, and they just dressed them up different. It's the same fucking bike. And so tomorrow I got to go over there and get that. So I was thinking maybe Brian here could, you know, we could weld and put metal and fuck around, and it could be done, right? But Jesus, for 50 bucks, forget about it. I'm gonna go over there and get that other one. He just wants to take it off the bike. That bike's all beat up too. He's had it forever. So you guys have seen Brian's place before, if you've seen any of my older stuff, but we'll take a look at it now. Things go through here and change constantly. There he is. Hey, man of the hour.
Who do I need to do that to?
What?
That.
Anybody you want.
All right.
You can do it to all of them. What are you doing? Oh, you're locking up?
Well, yeah, we're leaving, ain't we?
All right. We're going to get coffee. We'll look in there when I get back. There's some interesting stuff when we get back. But, you know, hey, what are you doing being out of coffee? What kind of shit, man? What kind of hospitality is that? He's fucking up. Usually has coffee. Me and Brian come to this place for coffee. It's like some Christian place. Now we're going to eat, and he won't go to a place that's corporate. Oh, look who's come to visit me. If it ain't Dopey. Come here. Well, let's take a look. Some of you guys have seen this place before, but I've come here many times to, you know, do maintenance or oil changes or whatever to my bike before I cross the border. Because this is Texas and it's close to the border. And I've been able to do a lot of stuff here. So let's take a look. Look at this. He's one of them wheeling and dealing guys. He got these bikes for like 500 bucks or some shit. Some fucking ridiculous deals he did. I don't remember. This is the one he likes. This one's only got like 23,000, 21, look at that. 21,000 miles on it. Looks legitimate too. You know, you can tell. Look at the writing, because that wears off. There ain't none of that left on my bike. This one here is starting to get thin. I don't know if you can see it on the start button. Whatever. It's been sitting. Runs really good. What you doing with this frame, Brian?
Fixing the seat post.
What are you gonna do with it?
No, yet. Just get the seat post fixed.
You got no plans?
Yeah.
Look like a 45-inch flathead to me right there.
That is a 1941.
1941, huh?
1941 WL.
Hasn't that been sitting here a while? Have I seen it before?
Oh, yeah, I've had that thing for years. These days I'm going to break down and finish all the fab on it.
What about this one here? This looks bigger, is it?
That is a 1937 U motor.
What's that mean?
It's a 74 cubic inch, big twin.
74 cubic inch flathead.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't even really know they made one of those.
74 and 80s.
Yeah, I knew they made 80s and 45s, but I didn't know there was 74 inches.
Yeah, that starts them out.
Is this the knucklehead that you got sitting on the table over there? No, that panhead you got sitting there?
This here's a full panhead. Yep.
Yeah, it must be the motor for it there.
All early shit.
I know. You finally come up to the Evos, though, I see.
Well, you can buy them for $500.
Yeah, I don't know.
The only reason I'm buying them is I can get them so cheap. Otherwise, I wouldn't have one.
No? What would you have instead?
Shovels, nuts, and pans.
Well, I like Evos. I like them because they go a long way.
That's why I brought them. Freaking.
They go a long way.
Buy that fucker, but not have to work on it so much.
That's right. I like that about them. This one has issues. This one don't. We got a box of. We got some oil coolers here. Brian don't like the oil coolers. I got a couple here.
Well,
I'm gonna get my glasses and decide which one of these I want. Just spray paint them black, right? That's all you gotta do. That one there looks better, I think. Less bent up stuff. Maybe not. This one looks pretty good. A little ding in it. Straighten those things out with a knife. This one looks pretty good here. And we got his FXR here. That one's been here a long time. As you can see, there's a machine shop. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a lathe over here. Looks like we got a shovel head or half a shovel head sitting there. Can weld stuff. 5-speed. Cylinders. I think they're Sportster. Can't tell. And a bunch of parts. A bunch of stuff upstairs. And what else? Let's see if I can get this. Shovel head that ain't all in one piece. Lots of junk laying around. There's another shovel down there. Something S&S right there. At least it's got S&S rocket boxes. This has some S&S stuff there. What are you doing with the S&S motor over here?
Which one?
I don't know, you got more than one?
I got a few of them. There's a 100-inch sitting there. Another one underneath the bench.
Oh, that's S&S too, huh?
That one there's an S&S super stock sitting over there on the thing with the blower on it.
Oh, with the blower, that's right.
Yeah, that's the thing.
There we go. You can see the blower on it. Yeah. Hey, what's this? Is that a real carburetor?
That's the carburetor that goes to that blower.
It's not one of them Chinese ones, huh?
No, real one. Real can. All jetted and everything for that blower.
Says S&S. I guess he's right. It's bigger, it's heavier. So, I'm not going to fix that rack. I was thinking I might have to take it apart and then I could straighten out them bars on it and pound some metal into it and then see if I could get Brian to weld them up. But this guy Donnie, he's got a rack. $50. I'm going to do that instead. Got to go over to his place tomorrow and help him take it off. Get it off and swap them. So it's going to be a project. I'll have to get up and get going in the morning. In the meantime, just going to hang around and scratch Bella for a while. Well, we're going over to Donnie's place. Brian's decided to come with me. He got nothing else to do today. Guess this is gonna be it.
Yeah.
What are you doing with all these bikes, man?
Well, I don't know yet.
Look at this. You got a
I bet you need
Kawasaki. Oh, you
Big
got
block
a.
Chevy heads.
Oh,
laying
there's
there.
your old motor there.
Big block Chevy heads laying there.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's that? An old Sturgis? No, it ain't.
That's a bottom breather there.
Yeah.
Is that a Super Glide? Oh, it's FXR.
85.
Dyna looking. Yeah, it's a Dyna style, ain't it? No, it's a.
No, it's an FXR, man.
Both of those are FXR.
Yeah, bigger than
Both of them, huh?
Yeah.
What happened to this one?
shit. There
Well,
it is.
No, that's the motor out of that one. That one, the case is
that's
broken.
the motor out of this one.
See, now you're.
Here's the motor where the case is broke.
Oh, that's the one with the case is broken?
What happened to the case? Won't come loose?
91. 1991. That's the problem
Pulled
with
the
them.
stud out of the case.
Oh, that happened.
That's what they fucking do, them old ones, them
Yeah,
cases.
pretty much.
Okay, this is my rack. He's gonna sell me this rack right off of this bike. That's the one I need. Just got to take it off, just like mine, I think. Fucking rivets on these. Look at this. Look at this. Let me get it.
Yeah.
For you. They put us a rivet through here. You can take the shock bolt out, it looks like, and then this slides out the end of the fender. But they put a rivet through it. Ain't that the shit? Bike's identical to mine, though, in every way except for the fairings. And this is the fun stuff a lot of you guys are missing out on. See this? He's getting to bang on this with a hammer. They're missing out on the fun. You know, a lot of these guys, you know, they buy new bikes and then they buy another new bike, but they miss out on all this fun stuff.
That rivet is stuck there.
Maybe it just doesn't like you. Maybe if I try it.
I'll let you have a go.
A whack at it?
A whack. A whack.
They put these funky rivets, man. And you can see this thing just slides into the frame, right? But they put instead of putting a bolt with a nut, they put a rivet on there. See it? And try to get it out of there. Well, what do you think would be better?
Like they did that.
Oh,
What they do?
Fucking made it where you could take the thing off and on, fucking mount it.
it's different on his because he has a later model bike. Because he's like,
It was just fucking retarded when this is what they were learning. Like I
this
said,
is when they were learning.
This is some booger on the end of the finger engineering here. Oh, I got it off. Send it to production.
Shut up, man. That's what I got to work with.
Harley fucking Davidson, the
See,
company that hates its customers.
This has got to slide out, right?
That is what the company that hates
We got
its
that bolt
customers
out, so this out, and then this got to slide out. But of course, it's
Harley.
rusted in because this bike's a 1991. And
That's what I found in that hot rod motor. The pump died.
oh wow, look
Whenever
at
I found
that!
out, I understood
Yeah.
why the pump died. So I pulled all the pieces out, and put a new pump in it.
Is that what broken it?
Yeah.
Was it a hot rod?
I don't want.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, here you have this back. It's a hot rod, yeah. Yeah, I'm kind of not in the hot rod thing.
You're getting a lot of film.
Donnie here. Well, it's because you're so cute, Donnie.
Yeah.
Shit, man, they're gonna love it. You're gonna be getting fan mail from undersexed old fat women from all over the country. So this is, he just wants to be able to hold his license plate up. Okay? But this is mine, putting it on his. As you can see, mine's broken. Okay. This piece, here's the other one. This piece slides in, right? Well, it broke. They had these 2 rivets going into it, holding it in. And them holes right there. So it broke. So he's gonna weld it up. I don't know what the hell he's thinking. Let's take a look at mine.
Who said I was thinking?
Yeah, who said you was thinking? See, this piece came out of here. But you can see it's broken off. I had to knock the other part of it in further so that we can slide that new one in. It's just completely wasted. Last time I put on my last bike, I broke this eventually, and I put another one on, but I made braces that went from here to this bolt hole right here and just came up and held it. And I need to do that on my next bike too. I mean, this bike's got 230,000 miles on it. And with all that weight, so it lasted that long. So that's something I'm gonna need to do to the next one. So Donnie, he's trying to figure out, he says he can weld this up, get it to hold his license plate. And nah, it won't take much. So this one goes in here, right? Fuck it. Yeah. So, I don't know why he's doing me this big favor, but he's saving my ass. This ain't gonna hold all my crap. And
I
he's
think you're an alright guy.
I think you're all right doing this. The problem he's got is the bolts on this one are we're so rusted in, he can't get them out. That one's gonna have to be tapped bigger, so they won't come out. They keep breaking off. So he's working on that. We'll see what happens.
And I got junk for tools.
Yeah, I got junk for tools and shit for brains. Weren't you saying something about that?
Hey,
Wasn't that you said that?
man, don't bring all that truth into the matter.
That's a problem. We got truth here. That is a problem. Sorry. It's done. Just loading my junk back up. This is what I got. Okay. Of course, it fought us at every move, and there was all kind of troubles. But this is the other rack. It's on now. And mine, he don't carry no weight on it, so he just welded it, and it's actually pretty. He ain't done welding it, but for his uses, it's fine. Took most of the day because of the, you know, there's always the unforeseen little problems that come up. We had a bunch of those, and then you gotta fight with them until you get them. Now it's done, and that should hold me for probably the rest of this bike's life.